YouTube, what is up? Bearded Yakkin here, and we're bringing you a Harbor Freight tool haul. So before we get started, so we had to make a run today to Ollie's, and give me a second. And we're back. So what we're going to do here, Harbor Freight tool haul. Sorry about the technical difficulties. I had to turn some more lights on. So yeah, back to the Harbor Freight tool haul. You know, I wanted to get this video out earlier. Under certain circumstances, I had to eat dinner, get the kids a bath and stuff. Now the wife's reading them a book. So I figured since I had to take the trash out, I'd sit here and make a video for you guys real quick. So, in 1 second. We'll be back in a second. Hold on. And we're back. Had to get a beer. So, as I was saying, had some shit to get done before we make the video. So, if you're new and you're just watching this now, hit the subscribe button. Don't be shy. Make sure you comment at the end of the video, or comment right now. Don't forget to like the video, or give me a thumbs down, whatever. So what we're going to do here, we got a little Harbor Freight tool haul. It's nothing big, nothing major. Some shit I had to get. First item we're going to start with. Good deal right here. Earplugs. There's a reason why I'm getting earplugs. It's not because I want to put them in my ear and not hear shit. But I'll cover that in a second. But you gotta think, safety first. You know, I got bad hearing as it is. You want to save your hearing with some earplugs, go to Harbor Freight. Don't go to Home Depot. You're going to spend probably double the amount for the same size box of earplugs. I think this here was, I don't know. I don't know what I could do with the receipt. I think I paid what, like probably $5 for this or whatever. So we got some earplugs. That's the first item. If you can't find them, the item number is 96365. They're over in the safety section, where all the vests are. Safety vests and hard hats and shit. In case you can't find them. Yeah. Earplugs. Next item. Earmuffs. These here, item number 94334. These here were $3. Can't go wrong with that. Again, protect your ears, because you need them. There's actually a reason why I got earplugs and earmuffs. Me personally, I got a set. I have a set right here. This here's a good set. The much more expensive set. You put them ones on, you don't hear shit. Do I wear them? Fuck no. Alright, the reason why I got earplugs and earmuffs. The earmuffs is for my boy, for my son. He's got to wear earplugs and earmuffs next Saturday night at Monster Jam. We're going down to the link in Philadelphia to watch Monster Jam wreak havoc in the Super Bowl champions stadium. So how about that? That's why we got earplugs and earmuffs. I probably won't wear none of that shit. I can't hear as it is. Alright, on to the next. Cheers, fellas. Have a drink with me. Next item. This item here, there's a lot of talk about this, about these. And a lot of people say, why spend the big money for the same product? Alright, why spend the money for the Snap-on, the Mako, the Mac, and all the other fucking brands out there when you go to Harbor Freight and get these line clamp set? They're made out of plastic. Well, I believe some kind of synthetic. Doesn't really say. Doesn't say. There is no warranty on these because they're that cheap. Item number 63596. Sizes 3/4, 1.5 inches, and 3 1/16. Line clamp set. You can use these to clamp fuel lines, vacuum lines, brake lines, and cooling system lines. You know what I mean? Everybody in the automotive field knows. Because, hey, I've been using metal ones for the longest time, but since I've seen a lot of people recommend these, I decided, what the fuck? What the fuck not? I'll pick them up. So that is my third item. Now on to the last one. Now you guys seen in a previous video about the steel stamping set that I bought, the 1/4 inch. Well, I bought its little brother. I bought the 1/8 inch, 36 piece. Right here. 36 piece. You got letters A to Z. You got the N sign. Then you have numbers 0 through 8. To where you use the 6, you turn it upside down. Now it becomes a 9. So I paid, I think, like $9 or something for this. So now that I have the 1/8 inch set, I got one more set to buy, and that there would be the 3/8. And you know what? These are a lifetime warranty. And they work really well. They work really well. They surprised the shit out of me. I thought I was going to stamp a couple pieces and have to warranty them out. That's not the case. These here are made of a high carbon. The steel is made of a high carbon. So, oh yeah, by the way, item number 9, scratch that. Start again. Item number 636 576. I highly recommend the steel stamping set from Harbor Freight, the Pittsburgh. Lifetime warranty. You cannot beat that for the price. Well, that about does it for the Harbor Freight tool haul. This is Bearded Yakkin'. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And just go over to Chris M's channel and check his Harbor Freight tool haul that he posted today. Check his out too. He's got a pretty good one. He's got some good items on there. Anyway, it's Bearded Yakkin'. Like, comment, subscribe. And that's it. We got to get to 500 subscribers as soon as possible, because I got a 500 subscriber giveaway, and many of you guys already know what it is. So let's do that. Let's get me to 500 for this next milestone of me being on YouTube. Let's get me to 500 so somebody can get a special gift made by me with some stuff donated from another channel. And that's about it. Like, comment, subscribe. This is Bearded Yakkin', and we are signing off. Cheers, brothers.